agriculture, tourism, and these are the main sectors. And we are working on the industries. But
And what about hydro?
yes, sir, hydro is also one of the greatest sources of revenue.
Then the main source.
Yes, sir, the main source of the revenue for the state. Yes, sir.
Can you name some hydro projects in Himachal?
Yes, sir. There's Satluj Vidyut Nigam, which was started in the initial 21st century. It was started in the first few years. Then there's Parbati Hydro Valley project. We're working on the Renuka project these days. There's Pong, and there's Bhabha Hydroelectric project, which was the first underground project that was built. So these are.
What is the twin advantages of Bhakra Dam?
So Bhakra Dam.
Twin.
Yes, sir.
Twin advantages.
So obviously the first is that it provides us with it provides us with power. So apart from that, so irrigation.
Yes,
Sir. Irrigation to
it holds excessive water during monsoons.
Yes, sir.
And then makes regulated supply to 3 states.
Yes, sir.
Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan.
Yes, sir.
And even electricity also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. These two.
Are you familiar with the Indian Constitution?
Yes, sir.
How is the division of power between the center and the states?
Sir, between the center and the states, we have the subjects according to the 7th schedule, which have been divided. There are the state subjects. There are the subjects which come in the state list and in the center list.
Name the 3 lists.
So the state list, the center list, and then the concurrent list. These are the 3 lists that the Constitution holds.
What are the powers of the center to make laws on concurrent list?
Sir, out of the two, out of the center and the state, the basic power towards the end lies with the center. If there is a case of conflict between the two, then the center is given the final power.
Central law will prevail.
Yes, sir, central law will prevail out of the two.
What is judicial review?
Sir, judicial review is in case there occurs a situation where we feel the basic structure of the Constitution is.
It is the power of the power of someone.
Yes,
it is whose power?
So it's the power of the judiciary to review whatever the parliament has done, or review their own.
To judge the constitutionality of that legislation.
Yes, sir. Constitutionality of the legislation.
It is in which article can you name of the Constitution?
Sir, I cannot recall.
Article 13.
Yes, sir. Article 13.
What is GST?
So GST, the Goods and Services Tax, it is an indirect tax which superseded the VAT, which was initially prevailing, and it has different slabs. It came in as the 101st Constitutional Amendment, and we have divided it in various slabs, starting from 0, then there's 5, there's 12, there's 18, and so on.
It has one name. What is that? GST has one name. One nation, one tax.
Yes, sir. One nation, one tax.
Arshia, Himachal is a state having a lot of tourism potential.
Yes,
First of all, what is the difference between tourism and traveling?
Sir, traveling would be visiting new places. Traveling is basically you don't go there for a destination-based. Traveling is just from one place to another. Tourism, on the other hand, is make. Suppose there's a city. We develop it in a way that to attract people. Traveling is just going from one place to another. Tourism, on the other hand, would be a destination-based platform where we would encourage.
One destination only? If you go to Mandi, I can
Yes,
go to, say, Kullu also.
Yes, sir.
From Kullu, I can go to Malana.
As in that we develop tourism in Mandi, then we develop tourism in throughout the state, but it is more of a destination-based thing, whereas traveling is the throughout process of it.
Are you using a lot of the idea of destination? What is destination branding?
So destination branding, like Shimla, for example, it has always, there is not, even if people who have seen places similar to Shimla, they wouldn't find a lot of new things there, but there is the name that is associated with the place. So there is a lot of destination-based tourism. People really want to come and see what the name holds. So that would be the destination.
Do you think when we promote a destination, it should have lot of other dimensions and activities which are there should be well circulated
Yes,
and
sir,
well
and especially
publicized.
planning in that manner, because when we are making this, because obviously it is bringing us a lot of revenue throughout the state, to like from all the parts of the state. This is really helping us gather a lot of revenue. So, what in this case, there is a lot of negative also that is going on with the unplanned development and all the. Like the step that we need to take in this scenario would be planning, like in a place like Chandigarh, as we see that it is so properly planned and everything, and even the uh, expansion that is happening, it's not restricted to a particular part in the city, but it's going outwards. So this, sir, I would suggest a similar solution for a place like Shimla or any destination-based place, so they could plan first and then execute all the policies that they have in their minds.
What is this see, adventure tourism? Do you think
Yes,
we have
sir.
Himachal got a potential?
Yes, Himachal has a lot of potential when it comes to adventure tourism. There are so many places which have a lot of snowfall, so we can harbor our taxes from skiing, from developing skiing as a sport. Initially, there used to be a lot of river rafting in areas like Tattapani and Manali. Tattapani has taken a backseat in that context lately, but Manali and even in the places like Pong Dam, their idea is to facilitate adventure tourism even more in these areas, in the Gobind Sagar area, in the Pong Dam area. So this would be a new addition to all of the aspects of tourism that we're already gaining revenue from.
Have you traveled the entire state belong to?
Yes, so not the entire state. I have been to Chamba. I have lived in Kullu for the initial 4 years of my life.
Mhm.
Then I have lived in Nahan for a year, and then I've been living in Shimla for the past 13 to 14 years. I've lived in Solan, I've lived in Parvanu. So I've lived in a lot of places, but yeah, I haven't been to Kinnaur and Lahaul Spiti yet, sir.
What is so special about Kinnaur?
So Kinnaur, we know Kinnaur for its apples, of course. The Kinnauri apples, they are world famous, and most of the time, people like it is so popular throughout that sometimes it doesn't even reach the state, and because there is so much of demand from the outside. So Kinnaur is really known for its apples and the other products like the groundnuts, the almonds, and all of these products, dry fruits and things like these. And even for the hydroelectric projects, and the Kinnaur is famous because of the Satluj flowing from the area.
There is a very famous style of painting which is very specific to Himachal.
Yes, sir.
What is that?
So Kangra painting is one of those, which is very it has been one of the most famous painting schools in the past. So Kangra, it really flourished in the time of Raja Sansar Chand in Kangra, and the base is it is based on the feminine charm and the feminine beauty. So that was the basic concept behind the Kangra paintings, and it uses very subtle tones like greens and all those colors to create a nice, and it has a very beautiful scenic beauty to it. Like after the feminine charm, the second thing that they focus on is the scenic beauty and the greenery and the nature. So that is also one.
Do they use some chemical colors, or which? From where do they source their colors? Those miniature artists of
Yes,
Kangra
sir.
style. Where do they source their colors?
Sir, I am not very sure about this.
They are mostly stone-based, naturally
Yes, sir.
occurring substances which they use at.
Yes, sir. I wasn't very sure.
And what about Andretta? I've heard a lot about Andretta. What is Andretta?
Sir, there is an art gallery, Shobha Day Art Gallery in Andretta.
Shobha
Shobha.
Day or Shobha Singh?
Shobha Singh Art, sorry, sir.
Okay.
Shobha Singh Art Gallery in Andretta.
Mhm.
And so that is what it is basically famous for, the Andretta area, the Shobha Singh Art
Shobha Singh has, of course, besides painting a lot of Sikh gurus, he has painting another very great painting ascribed to him. It's very popular. Normally seen, it's representing one couple representing love, divine love.
I cannot recall it right now, sir.
So,
Harsha, you hail from Una,
Yes, sir.
right? Can you tell me a couple of agricultural aspects of Una? Una is special
Yes, sir.
in Himachal vis-a-vis the agricultural
Yes,
part.
sir. So basically, Himachal has a lot of hilly terrain, and Una, in this aspect, there is a lot of plain farmland in Una, which we do not find in a lot of the neighboring districts. So that comes as a plus to this part of the state. We also have crops like we have wheat, we have maize in this area, which we wouldn't find in some other parts of this state. And but recently we've been facing a little problem when it comes to agriculture in that part of the state, which is related to the monkey menace that is happening. There is a lot going on. It is very hard for people to focus on agriculture and to grow crops these days because of all of this that is happening. So this is, and for irrigation, there's the new Swan Valley project. Swan is the river which flows through Una, the main source of water there. So the Swan, it is being developed to get a better irrigation facility for the area.
And there's another aspect to it. Does Una flood?
Yes, Swan was initially called as the sorrow of Una because of this, so that they are also diverting Swan in this aspect, so that like the entire district gets a proper level of water. There's no flooding and there's no drought in a particular area. Everybody is given water accordingly.
Right. Harsha, your father is already into services.
Yes, sir.
And he is into GST.
Yes, sir. Excellent.
And you have done your BTech.
Yes, sir.
So, could have easily got a job after BTech.
Yes, sir.
Why choose services?
Sir, I was very driven towards services because of my father's background also. So since the very start, I was very sure that this is the career I would want to pursue. I did BTech because there is so much competition. So even my family wanted me to have a plan B in case something doesn't work out. So that is why I chose BTech. But public services has always been my first preference when it comes to a career choice, sir.
You said plan B, so you're not confident about yourself?
Sir, I am with so much competition and everything. There is so much of like the seats. You're not sure how many of them, so and you don't know how each and every round will go. But there's prelims. I would obviously keep trying even if I don't get through. I would keep trying for a couple of years still. But to be on the safe side, because HS doesn't really ask for a degree in humanities or a subject like that. So I thought that having a proficiency in technology would also help me in other things in life.
What is SARFACI Act? SARFACI.
Not, sir,
This is with regard to the non-performing assets.
yes, sir, not really aware of this.
What is Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code?
So Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, it came into being in 2016. It was basically for the non-performing assets, all the non-performing asset crisis that was going on in the country. It was basically pertaining to that, and it provided us guidelines in case of insolvency or somebody goes bankrupt. So what the government can do or what the banks can do in those contexts, and how they can recover the money and the NPAs in that context. So that is what the code dealt with.
Do you think it will solve the Indian NPA problem?
So it is not the only solution, but it is one of the solutions which will really help us. So according to me, there's also the Fugitive Offenders Bill taking into consideration everything that has been happening with Nirav Modi and the Vijay Mallya scams that have been happening. So we need, they're talking about the recapitalization of banks. There are a lot of steps, but Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, I think, is definitely one of those steps which will help us recover the assets.
We had a attack yesterday
Yes,
on a
sir.
security personnel.
Yes.
So how do you think we should we retaliate? If yes, how?
So the retaliation presently, I don't think surgical strike would be like we could wait a little more time for a step as big as that. But sir, because we are losing so many of our army personnel, almost every month there's a news. This became big because it was so many people like there were more than 40 people and in one go. Otherwise, every day we heard it from Jammu and Kashmir, 2 CRPF Jawans were killed, 3 CRPF Jawans were killed. And it's become like a habit for the entire country to even see things. But suddenly it became a huge deal because it was 44 of the people. So this is a huge loss for the entire country. This is a moment of shame for everybody. But sir, in such a situation, I think this greater solution or the practical approach would be to involve the world. Like we were the ones who were against sensationalization of the Kashmir issue initially, but presently we really need to involve US and other countries who are countering terrorism right now. US just released a statement where it very strongly condemned the attacks and where it has asked Pakistan to stop the terrorist funding. So in the organizations, even by going to the UN Security Council, this is, I think, how we should approach this situation, by providing some sort of pressures from the rest of the countries so that Pakistan would take a step back when it comes to terrorist funding, and they would think twice because they have their economic sanctions at hand and they have their economic prosperity at hand to lose in such a case.
You said we should involve other countries.
Yes, sir.
Pakistan has been suggesting that for past 40 years, that we should involve other countries.
Sir, involve other countries not in the Kashmir issue but in the terrorism issue. To counter this terrorism that is being spread in all of these areas, because all of the countries are going through this. There is so much of militancy, there is so much of terrorism, even in
The world
countries
is already aware that Pakistan is into terrorism.
Yes, sir.
As Osama bin Laden has
Yes,
been
sir.
caught from Pakistan.
Yes, sir.
So the world is already involved.
Yes, sir.
If India involves the world, it has to be specifically to Kashmir-based terrorism.
Yes, sir.
with
Definitely.
Pakistan. So what you are meaning to say is that we should involve the other countries in Kashmir issue.
So we should involve the other countries in the terrorism issue, because Kashmir issue is not basically about the India-Pakistan border rivalries now. So it has escalated to a whole new level where there is even the Indian part of it. So there are so many issues going on in Kashmir in which we cannot involve everybody. But sir, even our internal security issues have raised in Kashmir so much in the past couple of years.
Like
So there is the stone pelters that are there in Kashmir. So there is so much of our inside our country, inside our democracy, there is so much that we have to take care of. But from the world point of view, this is what they can help us with, is to counter terrorism. We have to take care of the internal security issues on our own. But when it comes to a thing like terrorism, which is being funded by another country from outside, I think we could really use the help from a country as strong as US or its allies.
She belongs to Una district.
Yes, ma'am.
Recently, Himachal government has established a mega food park in Una
Yes,
district.
ma'am.
What is it all about? Will you elaborate?
Ma'am, basically in the past few years, the Himachal government is trying to put pressure on the industries, like to make the industries upsurge in the Himachal area. We are trying to bring a lot of investment when it comes to this. So this was one of the aspects that was taken into consideration to develop Una when it comes to MSMEs and even in this food park sector. So this was the idea behind the building up of a food park in the Una area, to develop the sectors in that area, because there is a lot of potential for growth in this particular sector. We have already developed Baddi and Solan and those areas. Una has a lot of potential when it comes to these industries. So
Have you heard Make in India program?
Yes, ma'am.
Himachal?
yes,
How Make in India will help industrial development in Una district?
ma'am, Make in India would there is a lot of agriculture in that area. So like food processing, fruit processing, and all of these industries would be a great help. Like we've used it for the other areas of Himachal as well. We've taken into consideration the upper Himachal areas like Kinnaur and everywhere. We're using jams and we're making a lot of profit from these sites. So Make in India would promote this aspect of us. Apart from that, ma'am, even small industries, handicrafts, which is there in every part of the state. Like people, even in Una, there are people who make small wooden toys and small iron toys and all of that. So giving a boost to those industries also, so that in that sense, Una has scope in the Make in India initiative.
Can you name one important challenge for industrial development in Una district?
Ma'am, the basic challenge is it is very scattered. First of all, there's not been a lot of planning regarding it. So there, like building a one sector or one hub in the entire district would be of great help. So all the problems, all the raw materials could be collected in one place. All the like there is just one place that the raw material comes to, and there's just one place from where it leaves. So making a hub would save a lot when it comes to the communication costs, when it comes to the transportation costs. So in that aspect.
Can you specify the major challenges district is facing from Punjab state?
Ma'am, presently the main challenge that we are facing from the Punjab state is the drug trafficking, because we share the borders. So that is also one of the issues. Because Himachal was never one of the states which was considered as a state which was involved in drugs, but suddenly in the past couple of years it has escalated to a very high level. So that, according to me, is one of the main problems that we are facing from Punjab. Apart from that, ma'am, I don't think there's problem. Otherwise, from Punjab, we are getting a lot of tourism from Punjab, like from in the positive aspects of it. According to me, the problem with Punjab only would be the borders and the drug issue.
Do you think mining can be a
Yes,
very
ma'am.
major challenge?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So,
You think your state is, disaster prone? Natural disaster?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What kind of disaster do you?
So so earthquakes, and there are landslides, because we lie in the seismic zone 4 and 5, which is very prone to the earthquakes. So, sir, these are some, and of course, there's avalanches in the higher altitudes, but mainly, and there's floods also in the lower altitudes. But earthquakes and landslides are two of the disasters we really need to.
And enough measures are in place to counter all these things?
Yeah.
Or still more is required to be done?
So they're trying and they are taking steps, but we require a lot more to be done. There was this exercise, Samarth exercise for the earthquake drills, even in schools, so people would know, the students would know how to tackle a situation like this. So
That is to, take action once the calamity
Yes,
has taken place.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
To prevent the calamity to take place, what measures are being put in
So
place?
they're building safe spaces for people, because this is a zone where this can happen. So there is a lot of probability.
You remember some years back there's a Satluj region in China where there was a dam, the dam burst in China,
Yes,
a whole
sir.
lot of water
Yes, sir,
into
yes, sir.
India,
Yes, sir.
and that we got caught unaware.
Yes,
If
sir.
the similar situation occurs again, then what are we going to do about it?
Sir, there is not a lot being done in this sphere right now, but we need to have, first of all, we need a proper connectivity with all, like from wherever the water, like putting posts or points from where the water starts, so we know that somebody can make us aware when something like this starts, we have a proper awareness of this sort of a situation. So apart from that, building check dams and barrages and all of those things, so they really need to start in the areas where lives of people can be harmed because of this.
There is a gap, 1 year gap in your 10th and 12th.
Yes, sir.
Why did this happen?
Sir, during my class 12 board exams, I had chicken pox. And sir, it happened almost a month before my exams. My brother had it, so I contacted it from him. And sir, it was, I do not, it might sound a little like I'm exaggerating, but sir, it was one of the worst things that had happened to me. So I wasn't able to give my 100% in those. I still sat for the exams, but sir, I knew I had more potential, and I did not score as much as I thought I would have, as much as I wanted to in my class 12 results. I scored in my 70s, so sir, I appeared for the exams because it was not a...
So you repeated?
Yes, sir. I gave the improvement exams the next day. Yes, sir.
Okay, and there is in your family members, you mentioned one Ronan Pandit.
Yes, sir.
Who is this person?
So he's my brother.
And he writes Pandit.
Yes,
is it?
sir. Yes, sir.
What is he doing? He's in class
He's
8
in
at
class eight.
present.
Yes, sir.
So, and he must be a kind of a baby in the family.
Yes, sir. Sir, I literally raised him. I've been one of the people who've raised him, apart from my mother. I was in class 6 when he was born. So, yes, sir, I have that almost mother-child sort of a bonding with him. feel him, like I still consider him a baby. It's his birthday today, and so he's still like a baby in the family. He's just became a teenager, but yes, sir.
And you've been staying in Chandika for last 2 years?
Yes, sir. I mean,
So how do you communicate with him? How do you relate?
sir,
How often do you go home?
Sir, I go home once every month, and my family also comes here almost once in 2 months, and so we video call every night. Even if I'm not able to talk to my parents, I'll talk to them on the phone, but with him I video call him every night before we like have our food and everything at around 7. We stay in touch. Sir.
And Archia, there's certain activities you were involved in, in your school. Why did you give up on these activities once you entered the college?
Sir, in college I was I was still involved in dancing, and we had our own dance group, and
We had means
sir,
your girls' private kind of a thing.
no, sir, when I entered college, there were already dance groups in college. So I became a part of one of those dance groups, and when the seniors left, they made me in charge. That okay, we are in 4th year, we are leaving, so we want you to lead this from now on. So I became the head of that dance group. So I was into dancing.
So during your tenure when you were the head,
yes.
did something different take place?
Yes, sir. So initially there used to be only they'll play the popular songs and they'll dance. But me and one of my seniors, the one who gave me the charge, so we started with this idea of theme. So we would bring up topics like honor killing. So we would portray that with dance. We would make an entire story. We made stories on women empowerment. We would bring props and we would make jails and everything, like a woman is trapped and everything. So sir, we really tried to bring a difference in the kind of performances that our college had seen.
And I'm little intrigued by your self-assessment. I'm people's person and flexible and compassionate.
Yes, sir.
Why do you say so? How do you measure yourself that I am so and so? This is in me.
Yes, sir, people's person, because I have seen myself since school, sir. I have been one of the people who has been in a friendly sort of relationship with, be it my seniors, be it my classmates, I have been in good terms with almost everybody I've come in contact with since the very beginning of my, since I started sensing things and since I started developing friendships. I have been and
Is there any incident which took place in your school or at any time where somebody was in trouble, your friend or somebody was in trouble,
yes, sir.
and others were teasing that person or something, and you gave a shoulder to cry on or something
Sir,
like this?
apart from giving a shoulder to cry on, I was also one of the people that my friends would come with that okay, this person said me this, so they'll take me to talk to the person, and I was the face of we had a group of 7 girls in college, so I was like the group of that, at the face of that group, that if anybody says anything to any of the 7, Arshia is going to come and talk to you about it. So I'm really very considerate when it comes to my friends and family. So in that.
If you were to change one thing in your state right now,
Yes.
administratively,
Yes, sir.
what would you choose to change?
So,
Which you are not happy with in your state?
yes, sir. Sir, currently, I guess it would be the environment, the environmental problems that are going on in the state, sir. With so much of tourism is obviously a great revenue for the state, but sir, with the tourists coming, we could increase awareness that this is a very, very sensitive area that you are coming into. Be careful. Pool vehicles when you come to a place like this. You can, instead of bringing 5 cars, you can pool in a bus and then come to a place like this. When you're going on treks, you could, there were people who came from outside the state to clean our treks, which was such an embarrassment for us. But steps like these, sir, I think because the foremost thing is for the state to exist. And sir, for the state to exist, we really need to take care of the vulnerabilities that are going around. So this, in my opinion, would be the most important issue, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Chef, there was one thing you wanted to change in yourself. What
Yes,
would that be?
Ma'am, I am a little too sensitive, ma'am, when it comes to things, and I think that it really pulls me back in some situations where I could have been a little more, I don't know, not exactly a decision maker, but because I do take decisions, okay, but I get very attached to things. I get very emotional related to things. Somebody will talk about the army, and I start getting very empathetic. I put myself in that position, which is good in some aspects, but I think it really sometimes it backfires on me. This situation of being emotional or sentimental.
Presently, how many hours you are able to study?
Sir, currently I attend classes also. So after the classes, I'm able to give around 4 to 5 hours, sir.
You are excellent, and please increase your working study hours.
Yes, sir.
You have interview on which date?
It's the 6th of March.
You should know all the constitutional amendments,
Yes, sir.
landmarks,
Definitely. Yes, sir.
not all,
Yes, sir.
landmarks constitution, and all the important legislation passed by the Lok Sabha.
Yes, sir.
During
So please, can I write down what you're saying?
please.
We'll give you a common
We'll give you the
feedback.
common feedback.
This we have noted down for you.
We have noted.
Anything specific, sir? Anything?
To specifically the way you were walking, you were just holding it.
Yes.
Never hold your.
Yes.
You would just continue.
I think she's
Tightly
conscious
fist.
of her nails.
Yes, ma'am, because
So just cut
I
them.
came here and I realized that I hadn't cut my nails and I.
So that's
But you
okay.
were too tightly
Yes, sir.
fisted.
Yes, sir.
That shows the closeness of your personality
Yes,
also.
sir.
That painting was Soni Mahila
Yeah, so
in any
yes,
case.
sir.
But one more thing. When sir probably or Manmeet ji probably told something, you could have said thank you, sir. But that is one area he informed it to you.
Oh, yes, sir.
So suppose if I say Soni Mahila, thank you.
Yes, sir.
So you acknowledge that.
Yes, sir.
That should be making it a little more informal
Yes, sir.
with the book.
Definitely.
And to come out of your emotional thing,
Yes,
you
sir.
start meditation.
Yes,
You
sir.
will reap its benefits.
Yes, sir.
It
Because
is instant. It is instant.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I cry too much. It is not good for me.
And you can note down the title of this book.
Yes.
You go through this book. It's a wonderful book.
Share everything.
Otherwise, she is very brilliant.
Ah,
She's very bright.
Confident, but
Very bright.
little more of head movement. You make more of head movement.
Oh, yes, sir.
Later on.
Yes, sir.
And don't walk in like this ever.
Yes, sir.
With your,
Definitely.
not only you, 2-3 other people are
Yes,
there.
sir.
There's a common this thing.
Yes, sir.
Walking in like this, and
Yes,
the head needs to be little still.
Yes, sir.
And be little, when you sit with proper this thing, not on half of the chair.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can
You
you
answered
make them
tricky
work on the
questions.
contest part?
Yes,
He
sir.
answered
Yes, sir.
tricky
I will work
questions.
on this.
सर ने तो फंसाया था।
Amazon पे order करते हैं नहीं
Very
मिलेगा।
yes, sir.
Very well
We'll
done.
make them practice this walk and all in the
Walk
big
and
room
walk.
in the academy.
They
So
should
it's-
be well
And
rested.
one area which
What we
And I'm very
we
confident
have
you will
this
make it.
Very confident. You are going to make it.
You are going to make it. Thank you very much.
Asha, you soft
Yes, sir.
slightly.
Yes,
You
sir.
said so, but it was gauged much early.
Yes, sir.
That you are soft slightly.
Yes.
Sentimental is not means not bad. You know all the psychological aspects. She will know
Yes,
better
sir.
at both the sides.
Yes, sir. Of course.
So it has the plus points. It has the minus points also.
Yes, sir.
But in your capacity as an administrator,
Yes, sir.
at times you have to take hard
Yes,
decisions,
sir. Definitely. Yes,
which are going to be unpleasant to some.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And if we get into the emotional part, we will not be able to
Yes,
take
sir.
those decisions.
Yes, sir.
So this you have to take care
Yes,
of.
sir. Definitely. Sir, anything else, sir?
We will give you the feedback.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Sir.
All the
Thank you.
best.
All the best.
Share everything.